KashKick flags suspicious activity when its system detects behavior that looks automated, inconsistent, or linked to patterns commonly associated with fraud prevention triggers like VPNs, duplicate accounts, or rapid offer completion. By the end of this, you'll know what suspicious activity actually means on KashKick, why it happens, and the exact fixes that stop the warning from blocking your account. Start with what the system is really detecting. KashKick doesn't manually watch accounts in real time. It uses automated risk detection that checks device data, IP consistency, and how your actions match normal user behavior. If something looks off, the system applies a restriction automatically. First fix is stopping VPN or proxy usage immediately. VPNs often rotate IP addresses or route traffic through flagged networks, which can trigger instant fraud signals. Turning it off restores a stable connection identity. Second fix is using only one device for your account. Switching between phones, tablets, or browsers creates conflicting device fingerprints, which the system reads as multiple users. Third fix is slowing down offer activity. Completing multiple offers too quickly can look like automated behavior, even if everything is legitimate. Normal pacing helps the system classify activity as human. Fourth fix is clearing cache and reinstalling the app or refreshing the browser session. Old session data can carry conflicting signals that continue to trigger warnings, even after the original issue is gone. Fifth fix is avoiding shared or public Wi-Fi networks. Shared IP addresses often get flagged because multiple users generate similar traffic patterns from the same network. Now here's what actually matters when the warning still appears. Most suspicious activity flags are not permanent bans. They are temporary risk holds triggered by automated systems that need clearer identity signals. So the goal is not to argue with the system, but to give it a clean, consistent usage pattern to verify. In some cases, repeated triggers can escalate restrictions, especially if VPNs or multiple accounts are involved. That's why consistency matters more than speed when using the platform. Summary: KashKick suspicious activity warnings are caused by unstable IPs, device switching, VPN use, or fast automated-like behavior patterns. The system relies on identity consistency, not manual judgment. Clean, stable usage removes most flags. Next step: turn off VPNs, stick to one device, and slow down activity so the system can rebuild a stable usage profile before continuing offers. Like and subscribe for more clear, no-fluff fixes for apps that stop working when their security systems get too sensitive.